called your name, but all I heard was silence. I prayed until my words ran dry. Tears fell, but no reply. Heaven felt so far away, like night that swallowed day. I searched for signs, for anything, a whisper in the wind, but all I found was empty space and questions deep within. Are you still there when I can't feel? Are you still near when nothing's real? When you are silent, I will still call. When I can't hear you, I will not fall. Even in shadows, even in pain, I will believe you're working again. When you are silent, I'll trust your heart. Even when answers feel so far, you never left me even unseen. You are still God in the silence between. David cried in lonely psalms, how long, O Lord, in broken songs. Job stood still in endless night. No answers came, no end in sight. And in a garden trembling low, a Savior faced the cup of woe. He prayed in tears, he prayed alone, yet walked the path he had to own. If you walk through the silent place, then I can trust your hidden grace. When you are silent, I will still call. When I can't hear you, I will not fall. Even in shadows, even in pain, I will believe you're working again. When you are silent, I'll trust your heart. Even when answers feel so far, you never left me even unseen. You are still God in the silence between. On a cross beneath the sky, the Son of God was lifted high, and in the dark he cried alone, my God, why am I alone? And heaven did not break the night, no voice came down, no burst of light. The Father's silence filled the air as Jesus bore what none could bear. That silence was not absence there. It was love too deep to spare. For in that quiet breath was stayed In the silence between, you were there all along. Even in the silence